plans to go to sleep by 10:30 or 11. She's quite ambitious. But besides that, I think she is not your average person, always challenging the norms and the status quo. And I love that she questions the norm and doesn't always fall for the peer pressure, which is something that I absolutely love about her.
Of curses on my soul, the way I wanna love you, well, it could be against the law.
Happy birthday, Manvi. I just wanted to take a moment to tell you that I really appreciate the focus and the clarity that you have in your thoughts. You are able to prioritize your goals and wants really well, and I have always appreciated this about you. Even when you're faced with a situation where you have a dissonance, you are able to take the steps to get to a state of clarity, and you keep at it, and that is really admirable. I know that, having an early bedtime is something that stands out to most people about you, but I know that it is a manifestation of that clarity of thought and prioritization, and you're able to consistently do it every day.
Let's give it one more chance. Won't you dance with me in my world of fantasy? Won't you dance?
One thing that I love about Didi is that she's an amazing role model. She has been one my entire life, and I have always looked up to her, and I learned a lot from her, and I just observe her, and I learned so much from her.
Won't you dance with me? Ritual fertility.
अवी की सबसे ख़ास बात ये है, उसका जो हार्ट है, उसकी जो हार्ट की जो प्योरिटी है, वो एकदम एक छोटे बच्चे के जैसी है, एंड वही उसकी सबसे बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ है.
Hi Avi, I love your sincerity and your strength of character. Now playfulness is added, so I'm so happy. Keep rocking. Love you, Beta.
I just want to thank Shiv for bringing you into the family. You're such a beautiful person who's given so much love to all of us. You're all heart, I know that. And you're all head also. So you know what you want to do. And if I ask you something, I know you will go to any end to give it to me. So God bless you, and I totally believe in you and have all the faith in you. God bless you, stay blessed and go places. Love you.
Like an apparition, you don't seem real at all. Like a premonition of curses.
One thing which I love about my bestest friend Fanvi is that she looks and talks like a total badass, and I mean that in a good way. Side note, Google defines it as someone who's a tough person and is someone who's really admired. Back to what I was saying, she's a total badass, but she's also a real softie at heart, and I'm sure she's going to be crying at the end of this video. So I love you the most, Manvi. Have a great birthday.
What I love about Avi is Avi being herself all the time. She doesn't, show off. She is always herself. So that is the best thing I love about Avi. Music चालू तो Avi चालू. अगर नींद आ गई तो भैया मेरे को सोना है. तुम्हारी पार्टी चलती है तो चलने दो. And she is so caring and loving. I really love that about Avi.
Come on, little stranger. There's only one last dance. Soon the music over. Let's give it one more chance. Won't you dance with me in my world of fantasy? Won't you dance with me? Ritual fertility.
I'm going to talk about this crazy thing I really love about you, and it's your random spontaneous jumping into songs and raps and choruses of my songs sometimes. It's the most fun part of the day when it happens. I absolutely love it. And don't kill me for making all those videos. But I just want to say you're very special, and I really love you. Thank you for bearing with me and all the headache that I give you and all the advice that you give me. Thank you so much. And I love you. Happy birthday!
सोना मेरे सोना माहिया तेरी ही होना माहिया छड्डे नखरा कली थी कली हूँ कली रह जाना जब मिले आना तू जब मिले आना तू.
One thing that I really love about Manvi is that she has a quirky sense of humor, and when she finds something funny that is also naughty and slightly like raunchy or like swear words that sometimes she and I used to laugh at, then she'll say the word, she'll say the funny thing, and she'll go ho 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 ho.
Hi Manvi. So what I love about you, I mean there are many things, but this one particularly is that whenever you decide to do something for your own entertainment, which might be just ordering a meal that you really want, or watching one of your favorite movies, or just listening to a song that you might be really into at that time, you are able to so amazingly get the best out of that experience for yourself and really enjoy it. And it's a joy to observe you when you're in the middle of something like that, because I mean I can see it on your face and how happy it makes you, you know. And I realize that without meaning to, I have actually learned that from you to a large extent, to really be in that moment and get the best out of it for myself if I've selected that particular thing, you know, for my own recreation. So yeah, that's pretty cool.
Hi Manvi. Okay, so the one thing that I absolutely adore about you is that you have always treated me like an adult. And it's not easy. Having treated me with a lot of love and kindness, and you've been extremely warm. So I really appreciate that. You have never treated me like a child. You have always given me the space to be who I am, and you have always been accepting of that.
The one thing that I love about Manvi is that she's not afraid to just be herself at any point of time. And I think that's fantastic, and it gives like everybody else around her the permission to be themselves as well, which is something super awesome to look forward to in any friendship or any time you spend with her. Happy birthday, Manvi.
Courageous, righteous, sincere, serious when required, sober, equanimous, and to top it all, she is funny bones, has great humor. So yeah, God bless Manvi. And one more thing I like is that she chose a great life partner.
Okay, I love Manvi because she's the daughter I never had. I felt an instant connection with her. And as a typical in-law, I always wanted to look for faults in her. But she makes it so difficult to find any kind of fault with her. She is just faultless and flawless. And I love her so much. Happy birthday once again.
Burning like an angel who has heaven in reprieve. Burning like the voodoo man with devils on his sleeve. Won't you?
I wanted to say that I love you. A very, very happy birthday. 30 years. So when I heard 30 years, I thought immediately, like, my mind went to Friends. And you know on Friends when Joey turns 30 and he says, "Oh my God." So I just sort of juxtaposed you next to Joey and I thought, what would that look like? And I loved it. And I wanted to say that I love your choices in literature, Didi. I think they have somehow subconsciously really, really influenced me. And I also love that every once in a while there comes a guiding hand, and that's very helpful.
Fantasy, won't you dance with me? Ritual fertility. Like an apparition, you don't seem real at all. Like a premonition of curses on my soul. The way I wanna love you well.
Hi Manvi, happy birthday dear. मुझे तुम इतनी प्यारी लगती हो कि तुम सोच नहीं सकती. मैंने तुमको जब भी देखा है, चाहे वो तुम्हारी शादी में स्पोर्ट्स शूज़ वाले दिन या जब तुम मेरे घर आई थी और तुमने कौन सी पैंट शर्ट पहनी थी, तुम मेरी वर्कशॉप में आई, फिर तुम नीचे गई, फिर तुमने कुछ खाया, फिर तुम कैसे सिंक पे हाथ धोने आई. तुम्हारी एक एक चाल, एक एक अदा, एक एक मोमेंट मुझे आज भी याद है. मैंने तुम्हारी मम्मी को भी बताया था. तुम्हारे चेहरे से, तुम्हारी आँखों से, तुम्हारी मुस्कुराहट से, तुम्हारी सादगी, तुम्हारी इंटेलिजेंट, तुम कितनी ब्रेनी हो, ये सब कुछ दिखता है. मतलब यू आर अ वेरी गुड पैकेज एंड एग्जैक्टली लाइक शिव. आई थिंक यू आर मेड फॉर ईच अदर. शिव को तुमसे अच्छा और तुमको शिव से अच्छा कुछ नहीं मिल सकता. मैं तुम्हारी बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ बेटा. तुम ऐसे ही सदा खुश रहो, तुम दोनों हंसते रहो और ऐसे ही सादगी का जीवन व्यतीत करो. बहुत कम लोग ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने अपनी सादगी को आज भी बरकरार रखा है और तुम उनमें से एक हो. गॉड ब्लेस यू, गॉड ब्लेस यू. मैं तुम्हें बहुत दुआएं देती हूँ और मेरे शिव ने तुम्हें पसंद करा है कि तुम्हारे में कुछ ख़ास बात तो है. और पता ये चला कि कुछ नहीं, बहुत सारी ख़ास बातें हैं. इसीलिए शिव जो है वो तुम्हारा दीवाना हो गया. करवा चौथ जब तुम्हारी मम्मी ने यहाँ सेलिब्रेट करा था, शिव किस तरह तुम्हारे पास बैठा था, तुम कैसे पास बैठी हुई थी, फिर कैसे उसने तुम्हारे लिए गाना गाया. मेरे को हर चीज़ ऐसे लगता है जैसे मेरी आंखों के सामने है, क्योंकि मैं तुम दोनों को बहुत प्यार करती हूँ. खुश रहो मेरे बच्चे, खुश रहो. ठीक है, बाय.
Man, No, I'm not speaking Jamaican. I'm talking to you, Manvi. So besides all the amazing things that I love about you, like how witty you are and how smart you are, the one thing that I appreciate the most and actually lack the most is how you are very perseverant and you get to a task and you finish it no matter what. And because I can't express it in words, I made a movie about it. Enjoy and happy birthday.
बहुत बड़ा है तू, बहुत अकड़ है तोरा में। देख देख कैसे उखाड़ते हैं अकड़ तेरी। तोरा को इतना चाहते हैं, 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 कितना चाहते हैं, क्या बताएं। सीना चीर के दिखाएं बजरंग बली जैसा। जब तक तोड़ेंगे नहीं तब तक छोड़ेंगे। बहुत ही लंबा दंगल चलेगा रे। तोर हमारा तैयार है? तैयार है। शानदार, जबरदस्त, जिंदाबाद। लोग कहता है हम पागल हैं, जिंदगी खराब कर रहा है। ये भीतर का घाव है, जब तक ये टूटेगा नहीं भरेगा नहीं। भगवान के भरोसे मत बैठिए, क्या पता भगवान हमरे भरोसे बैठा हो।
Hi Manvi, happy birthday. Today is your 30th birthday. Enjoy. It is a very, very important milestone. I was asked to say something about Manvi, what I like about her. So Manvi, I find you a very, very balanced, a very, very disciplined and focused person in life. Whatever you decide to do, once you decide, then nothing can stop you. This is an amazing quality and is going to take you places. God bless you. Have a wonderful day and a wonderful life ahead. We are blessed to have you as our daughter-in-law. Enjoy your day. Have a wonderful birthday and God bless.